Welcome to how to make money chatting with strangers tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to earn money using rentlocalfriend.com. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So on this website, actually, as a local person in your area, you can get rented by travelers or any other person as a guide or friend in your local area. So the most people who use this website actually is travelers, so they will rent you to help them know the best places or the best hangouts in your city, and it will be less costs for them to get a real guide, and it's better to get a local person to let them know about the country. So all you need to do is click on sign up, then you will sign up as a friend or travel designer. So if you are a travel designer, you can sign up here too. So I will sign up as a friend and come back. Then here you will choose your city, then they will ask you for your country and you can upload your picture here. You can enter your phone number, email, occupation, and here you can write a small description about yourself. Then write your hobbies and interests. Here you will add your social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel or any other thing. Then you will hit next. Then here you will add the languages that you speak. I will add English. Then here you will add the hobbies and expertise that you know, like music, local shopping, sports, food industries, family and kids, arts, and any other thing that you know. Then you will click on continue. Here you will add the prices of your work. So if you will work as a local friend, you will add your price. And if you're working as a virtual friend, you will add your price. And then you will be good to go. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.